Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you guys my little growth serum that I've been using. By the way, save a fresh piece of aloe. We're going to use it later on in this video. But I've basically been doing this entire routine maybe once a month, sometimes twice a month whenever I have time. The only difference is with this video, I added carrots because I heard it has really great benefits. So first time for that. I had a little piece just sitting here, so I was like, you know what, let's put it on your skin. Let's put it on my face. It's really good for your skin, by the way, in case you guys really don't know, but aloe has so much benefits and it's just really good for your hair, skin, and body, period. Here I have some carrots, went ahead and chopped it up really small, and then I just put it on the stove to just boil. You want it to get very soft. Now guys, I want to stress, make sure when you're doing this, your carrots are very soft, because if not, it will be really hard to blend. Okay? And don't skimp out on the castor oil. You can put enough. This entire mixture makes enough for 2 uses. So after I went ahead and blended this, I had a lot left over, and I honestly just put it in a Ziploc bag and froze it until next time when I need to use it. This is how I look now. I've been experiencing some, either that's a breakage or it's my edges growing. It's either or, because my edges were really short a few months ago from, like, you know, the wig and the lace, rubbing it back and forth. So I've been really wearing my real hair a lot these days. This is my steamer. Absolutely love it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it with water and let it start to heat up and steam up. You can also use this for your face, the separate part that comes with it. My favorite, Dove shampoo and Dove conditioner. I was told I've been doing this wrong all along. Oh guys, how do I fix this little area in the back? It is breaking so bad, and it's ugly. I hate it. So if you have any tips, leave it down below and let a girl know. But I was told that you should be doing a deep condition on a clean hair, and then I thought about it. When you go to the salon, they obviously wash your hair first, and I was like, wow, I really have been doing it wrong all these years. I mean, my hair still kept growing, but wow. So shampoo first, do your light condition. So now it's time to put the mixture together. You have your carrots, let them cool down, put them in your blender, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the avocado and the aloe, which looks really nasty, but I swear it has no smell, and so you don't have to worry about that. Don't add water to this. I don't know why I did that. It made it very watery. And then I have a wig cap. This part is kind of cringy, but you want to squeeze it so that there is no little pieces left over and stuck in your hair. Could you imagine that? Little shredded pieces of carrots and avocado clumps in your hair? What a hot mess. And then I use more castor oil just to really put it around my edges, because I feel like with the Gotta Be glue spray that I use when I am wearing my wigs, you know, it is drying. So definitely don't go short on the oil, but you don't want to put too much. Remember, we already shampooed our hair, so be. You don't want to use that little bit of water that you see me pour into the blender, because that's what makes this watery. But I like to do this. I do it about every month. I try to do twice a month. I wish I could do it more than that, but I think twice a month is good enough. I don't wash my hair like every week or anything, but this has I have definitely seen improvement in my hair. I was supposed to add a banana and I forgot, so I'm pretty sure that has even more benefits. Now my thing is all steamed up. You can see it is working its magic. And I just sit under here for about 45 minutes, let it do its job. Remember that fresh piece of aloe? Yeah, use that to just rub against your edges. Really pick the aloe and let that little gooey stuff go on your edges. I'm telling you, it just adds an extra bit of shine to your hair. So after I did this, this is how my hair looked. I did actually put one more conditioner in it, And then I went ahead and blow dried it so I can get ready for my braids the next day. I do need a trim, so eventually I will trim my ends, but here we are, day 2, getting my braids done.
I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah.
By the way, the girl who's doing my hair, her name is ATL Lady Red. She's the only person I go to for box braids in the Atlanta, or in Atlanta period. I was gonna say Atlanta area, but then I'm like, where else would I, what other area? So she comes to my house. I don't believe she travels though, but she comes to my house, and I wanted large knotless braids for my trip to Cabo because I knew I wasn't gonna keep it in so long. So and I knew I like to go under the water when I go on vacation, so I already knew that my braids weren't gonna last like the longest because, again, like, oh my god, my edges, the back of my head is so short. Look at it. It's just, it can't even make it into the braid. I've never had the back of my hair that short before. I'm actually very sad. So I need to go back into growing that because it's just, I really want to shave it. I just want to cut it all off and start from scratch because it's just, it drives me nuts. And you know what? This process didn't take too long. It actually, you know, took about maybe 3 hours, I think, or 3 hours. But at the same time, my time with her is never accurate because, remember, I'm recording. So I'm always moving the camera from left to right, right to left, left to right. So it's never really, I can't really give an accurate answer as to how long it takes.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you, my baby. You know.
Dang, these braids look crisp as hell.
I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
And for the remaining of this video, I'm gonna let you guys listen to the music and so forth and watch me get my knotless braids.
Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come to me, to me. Come to me, let's go. Come to me, Fatu bata jambele, oh Lord. Fatu bata jambele, oh jambele, oh.
Anywho, thanks for watching this video, guys.
Lord.